Picture yourself waking up, stepping on the scale, and seeing the numbers drop, effortlessly, like your body's been working magic while you slept. Welcome to Slim Hacks, where we ditch the diet myths and unlock real, science-backed ways to transform your body. Today, we are diving deep into one ancient secret that's rewriting the weight loss game: Valerian Root. This isn't just some trendy herb. It's a sleep superpower that can torch fat overnight. Stick with me for 5 game-changing ways to use Valerian Root to supercharge your sleep and melt pounds, plus a little discovery that's got thousands buzzing online. Hit that like button if you're ready to slim down while you dream. And let's get started. First, let's unpack why sleep is your weight loss secret weapon. Studies from Harvard show that poor sleep, less than 7 hours a night, messes with your hormones, spiking ghrelin, the hunger gremlin that makes you crave donuts, and tanking leptin, the one that tells you you're full. The result? You're hungrier, your metabolism slows, and fat clings to your belly. A 2018 study in Science Direct found that quality sleep, especially non-REM sleep, boosts fat burn by 53%. That S where Valerian Root comes in, it's like flipping a switch to unlock your body, fat melting potential while you rest. Way number 1. Use Valerian Root to deepen your sleep. This herb, used for centuries in traditional medicine, calms your nervous system and promotes non-REM sleep, the phase where your body repairs and burns calories like a furnace. Imagine drifting into a deep restorative slumber, your body quietly sculpting a leaner you. A 2011 clinical study showed Valerian Root significantly improved sleep quality in postmenopausal women, but it works for everyone. Brew a cup of valerian tea 30 minutes before bed. Its earthy flavor soothes you into dreamland. Way number 2. Pair valerian with a bedtime ritual to amplify results. Your body loves routine, and valerian thrives in one. Dim the lights an hour before bed to cut blue light, which suppresses melatonin and keeps you wired. Add a warm bath or a quick meditation. Studies from the Sleep Foundation show this can extend deep sleep by 20 minutes. Then sip your valerian tea or take a high-quality extract. Picture this. Your bedroom's a cozy sanctuary, and valerian's lulling you into a fat-burning sleep state. No effort required. Way number 3. Combine valerian with magnesium-rich foods for a sleep metabolism boost. Magnesium, found in spinach or almonds, relaxes muscles and enhances valerian's calming effects. A 2019 study in the Journal of Research in Medical Sciences found magnesium improves sleep quality, which directly ramps up nighttime fat oxidation. Try a small snack like a banana with almond butter alongside your valerian routine. It's like giving your body a double shot of fat-burning fuel while you snooze, keeping cravings at bay and your waistline shrinking. Way number 4. Use valerian to tame stress and curb emotional eating. Stress spikes cortisol, which tells your body to store fat, especially around your midsection. Valerian's been used for ages to ease anxiety, and a 2018 study confirmed it reduces stress markers, helping you sleep better and eat less impulsively. Imagine waking up refreshed, not reaching for comfort food, because your body's in balance. Add valerian to your evening wind down, maybe with a journal session to clear your mind, and watch those late-night snack urges fade away. Way number 5. Optimize valerian's fat loss power with consistency. Long-term use, think 90 days, maximizes benefits by resetting your circadian rhythm and balancing hormones like testosterone and growth hormone, which sculpt your body and slow aging. Stick to a nightly valerian routine, whether it's tea, capsules, or a blend with other herbs. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed consistent deep sleepers lost 55% more fat than sleep-deprived dieters, even on the same calories. Picture your body becoming a lean, fat-burning machine, night after night. No starvation diets needed. Now, here's the part that's got me buzzing. I stumbled across a nighttime ritual that takes valerian's power to the next level, blending it with other natural heavy hitters to supercharge sleep and fat loss. It's like nature bottled its best secrets into one simple step. I've dropped pounds, Felt energy like I'm 20 again, and haven't changed my meals. No kale, no cardio torture. Online, thousands are sharing stories of losing 20, 30, even 60 pounds while still eating pizza and brownies. Curious? The link in the description spills the full secret. It's a game changer, you won, to hear from diet gurus, and it's worth diving into. That's your Valerian Root playbook to turn sleep into your ultimate fat loss ally. These tricks aren't just about weight. They're about feeling vibrant, confident, slipping into clothes you love, and turning heads. Imagine the freedom of no more yo-yo diets or gym guilt, just results. Which Valerian hack are you trying first? Drop it in the comments. Smash that subscribe button for more slim hacks, and check the link below for that mysterious ritual. Your slimmer, happier self is waiting. Let's make it happen.